What's up, y'all? So this is a video about why I switched from my gaming PC to my MacBook Pro. First, I'm gonna start off with being able to use my phone and my iPad as a camera with no extra steps. I could just simply swipe on the phone, connect it to my MacBook, or I can plug it in. Same with my iPad. And both of these cameras are way better than the $200 webcams that I was using with my PC. Next, let's talk about the portability. With my gaming desktop, I had to always be plugged into a power outlet. With my MacBook, I'm all over the place. I can travel and have my full workstation with me. I can go to my bed. I can sit on the couch. I'm not confined to just sitting at my desk. And just because of that aspect alone has made me a lot more productive. I also like the fact that you don't have to hook up a keyboard. You don't have to hook up speakers. You don't have to hook up a monitor. And shoot, if you do want to hook up another monitor, you can use your iPad as a second monitor. And I really like that feature. I want to talk about how quiet the MacBook Pro is. Now with my gaming PC, those fans will get pretty loud. You get used to it so you don't hear it as much after a while. But with the MacBook Pro, under heavy workloads, I have yet to hear my fans. Now I'm in the Apple ecosystem, so another thing that I really like is the ability to go from doing a task on my phone to immediately doing that same task on my MacBook without any extra steps. I can get off my phone, go to my MacBook, and complete tasks. Even text messages, I can continue text messages from my phone to my MacBook. I would like to mention, if I take a photo on my MacBook, or I take a photo on my phone, vice versa, it's present on both. So I don't even have to sit there and put like a SD card in or anything like that. Like I can take a picture on my phone and it's automatically on my MacBook. One thing we all worry about on these gaming PCs, especially when you building your own, is parts failing and you got to do all this extra stuff to figure out what's going on, send the part in. With Apple, your stuff just works. Now, it sucks that you can't change things like your memory, but it works. Their customer service is second to none. I had a time where my Mac was messing up. I went into the Apple store and in 15 minutes tops, I was out with a new MacBook. You can't beat that. And last but not least, the MacBook is cute. It's pretty. I like it. But that's all I got. I'm out.